Do you ever feel nervous when you speak English? Do you wish you could speak more naturally and confidently, just like a native speaker? If your answer is yes, then welcome. You're in the right place. Today, I'll share with you something simple but powerful. Something that can help you speak better, feel stronger, and shine brighter. This is not just another video. This is the beginning of your new English journey. So, are you ready? Poise, world, and stars shine.
My name is Englishverse, and together we're going to make English part of your life, one word at a time. Hello, and welcome, my dear friends. You are listening to Englishverse, the place where learning English becomes easy, powerful, and fun. I'm so excited to start this journey with you. My name is Englishverse, and my mission is to help you speak English with confidence, clarity, and courage. You see, I know what it feels like to want to speak English fluently. I know the fear, the hesitation, the nervousness that comes when we try to speak. But let me tell you something very important. You don't have to be perfect to start. You just have to start to become perfect. In this channel, we don't just study English. We live it, we speak it, we feel it. We make it part of our daily life. Maybe you're a student who wants to travel the world. Maybe you're a worker who dreams of getting a better job. Maybe you're a dreamer who wants to grow and inspire others.
No matter who you are, if you want to speak English naturally and confidently, this is your new home. Welcome to the Englishverse family. Part 1. Why daily practice changes everything. Many people think learning English means sitting with a grammar book for hours, but no. That's old school. Real learning happens when English becomes part of your daily life. Every day you hear English, every day you speak English, every day you think in English. And step by step, you grow. It's like planting a tree. The tree doesn't grow in one night, but every day, with a little sunlight and a little water, it becomes stronger. And one day, it gives fruit.
That's how your English will grow. Every word you say is a leap. Every small step is a root. And one day, you will speak like a river flows. Part 2. The power of voice. Shadowing practice. Let's begin together. Repeat after me slowly. I believe in myself. My voice matters. I can speak English with confidence. Step by step, I am improving.
I am not afraid to make mistakes. Mistakes make me stronger. Excellent. This is called shadowing. One of the most powerful techniques to train your mouth, your ears, and your mind together. When you shadow daily, your pronunciation becomes clear. Your speed becomes natural, and your confidence grows without fear. You don't need to understand 100%. You just need to feel the rhythm and move with the language. Brain part 3. Start thinking in English. Now let's talk about something that can change your English completely. Thinking in English.
If you always translate in your head, you speak slowly. But if you start thinking directly in English, your words will flow. Start small. When you wake up, say in your mind, it's a new day. I feel good. I'm ready. While walking, the sun is bright. The air is fresh. I'm moving forward. At work, I can do this. I'm learning something new. I'm growing every day. These are not just words. These are seeds of fluency. Say them in your mind. Whisper them. Speak them out loud. English will become your habit, not a subject.
Part 4. Read aloud and feel the language. Reading silently is like listening to music in your head, but reading aloud, that's like singing your favorite song. Choose short sentences or stories. Read slowly, then faster. Then, with expression, act like you are on a stage. Smile when you speak. Feel the words. Every time you speak out loud, your tongue, your brain, and your heart learn together. Part 5. Live with English, not just study it. If you truly want to speak English fluently, you must live with the language.
Change your phone language to English. Write your daily diary in English. Record your voice for 1 minute every day. Watch short English videos and repeat the lines. Join online English groups and talk with people. These are not hard tasks. They are small daily actions. And small actions build big results. The more you see English,
the more it becomes a part of you. Part 6. Motivation for you. Let me tell you something from my heart.
Change your phone language to English. Write your daily diary in English. Record your voice for 1 minute every day. Watch short English videos and repeat the lines. Join online English groups and talk with people. I started from 0 too. Everyone starts from 0. But those who don't stop become heroes. You can too. The world needs your voice. The world wants to hear your story. And your story will shine brighter when you can share it confidently in English. So from today, stop waiting for the perfect day. Stop saying, I will start tomorrow. Start now. Start here. Start with your voice.
Every week, here on English Verse, I will bring you practical lessons, real speaking practice, daily motivation, and smart learning tips. We will grow together, one word at a time, step by step, day by day, voice by voice. So if you're ready to speak confidently, think in English, and change your future, then hit that subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, and let's build your English dream together. Repeat these lines every morning with power and belief. I am strong. I am learning English with joy. I am not afraid to speak. Every mistake is my teacher. Every word makes me better. Every day makes me stronger.
Repeat these lines every morning with power and belief. I am strong. I am learning English with joy. I am not afraid to speak. Every mistake is my teacher. Every word makes me better. Every day makes me stronger.
Daily practice questions. What is your name? Where are you from? What do you like to eat? What time do you wake up? What do you love to do every day? Who is your best friend? How are you feeling today? What did you learn yesterday? What will you do tomorrow? Daily food vocabulary. Bread, milk, tea, rice, chicken, egg, apple, banana, water, sugar. Common English sentences. I want to speak English. I can do it. I will never give up. Today is my day. I am ready to shine. I love learning new words. My English is getting better every day. I believe in myself. Step by step, I will speak fluently. English is my power. Motivation for learners. Don't wait for the perfect time. Speak now, learn now. Practice makes you powerful. Small steps build big dreams. Mistakes are part of the journey. Every word you speak is a victory. Keep going. Your success is closer than you think.
I believe in my dream. I am proud of myself. I respect my journey. I will speak English clearly. My voice is powerful. My English is improving every single day. I have the courage to speak. I learn from every mistake. I am becoming more confident. I love this journey of learning.
Hello, how are you? I'm fine, thank you. And you?
What is your favorite food?
I like chicken and rice.
What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 6 o'clock in the morning.
Do you like English?
Yes, I love learning English every day. Daily action sentences. Short and easy. I wake up early. I brush my teeth. I take a bath. I eat my breakfast. I go to school. I read a book. I write with a pen. I listen carefully. I learn new words. I speak with confidence. Daily motivation, part 2. Speak even if you make mistakes. Practice every single day. Confidence comes from action. You don't need to be perfect. Just be brave. Step by step, word by word, you will shine. Don't stop until you are proud. Your future speaks English. World Airplane Globe.